Hi, thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial video in which I'm going to show you how to run the Anova test in SPSS. So, Anova test is a statistical test mainly designed to search for mean difference between groups. So, the aim of the one way Anova test is to search is whether or not the mean is different, mean of the quantitative variable differ between groups. So in this tutorial case, we have two different variables. We have salaries and we have different categories. So we have agriculture, we have industry, and we have sales. So these three sectors in which we are going to see if whether or not the mean salary the salary differ between these or are can be considered to be equal in these three groups. So to run ANOVA test in SPSS, you just need to go in analyze, uh, compare mean, and choose the last option of the test, which is one-way ANOVA. Then click on one-way ANOVA. So the first step is to select the dependent variable, which is the quantitative variable, to put through this arrow in the dependent list. So the second step is to select the category factors, which is category that use this arrow put in the space related to factors. So we can go in option, choose to have descriptive statistics, fixed and random effects. So we will not select this option because 99% of tests are based on fixed and random effect models. So we select homogeneity of variance to see if whether or not the variance is variance differ between different groups. We also have Brown, Forsyth, and Welch. So you can also plot the mean plot. You can also do a mean plot. Select the mean plot and then click on continue and then click on OK. So we can the first table that appear in our estimation result is the descriptive statistics. So we have here the salaries and the first the very most important piece of information in this table are the mean and standard deviation of our variable. We have mean in agriculture, we have mean salary in industry, and as well as services and standard deviation of variable between different groups. So the test of homogeneity of variance is the test that search for the difference if whether or not the variance are homogeneous between different groups. So the most important value to interpret in this test of homogeneity of variance is the p-value, which is noted here 6. So the p-value here is equal to 0.000, meaning that can consider that variance are not statistically equal. So variance are different among different groups agricultural industry or services. So this uh, 3.39 standard deviation in the service group are statistically different to the other standard deviation of in different other groups. So the third table that we have in this result is the ANOVA test, which is the test which give the result about the difference between groups, between means. So we have the number of Fisher statistic here in the last but one column. So the Fisher statistic is 3.73, and the p-value is 0.02, which is less than 5%, meaning that we reject the null hypothesis that mean are equal between different groups. So we cannot accept the fact that mean mean salary is equal among groups. So in agriculture, industry, and service, the mean considered is statistically different to the mean calculated in the other sector. So we also have robust tests of equality of mean. So we have Welsh and Brown for sites. So we have different degree of freedom as well as p-value that are less than 5% as previously. And in the plot, in the main plot, we have the different value of the plot of the mean of mean salary. So this plot can materialize the difference between the mean salary in different groups. So that's it for this tutorial video on running Anova test in SPSS, and we hope this tutorial have helped you understand how to run and interpret Anova, the one-way Anova test in using SPSS. So see you very soon.